Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel again. I will be showing you today how I take down my ponytail. I actually had it for 4 weeks now. Call me crazy, call me whatever, it's fine. I would also be taking you through my 4C wash day. Let's go. I must have gained 1 or 2 muscle trying to actually finish. So now we'll section the hair into 6. Now you put in some water. What was I even thinking? You know what? Welcome back. Now my hair is all wet. We have to use the onions and ginger mix. Our mix is ready for application. I'll put on the screen the benefits of onions and ginger. Now we pat the hair. Leave it for 10 minutes. Deep condition, I'll be using the Harmony Natural Deep Conditioner. Check out the consistency, man. I am applying the deep conditioner in sections while detangling with my brush. Yes, for those who don't know what that is a steaming cap. And that was actually my first time using it. I was so scared that it was going to electrocute me or something. But no, it was good.
1 eternity later.
It is now evening. I left on the steaming cap for 30 minutes. So exhausted, no jokes. I had to give myself a corn. Already shampooed my hair with the Harmony Natural Strengthening Herbal Shampoo and kept it in the tub to dry. Now we moisturize. I'll be using the Harmony Natural Growth Oil, Leave-In Conditioner, and whipped butter jointly to gain a really good effect. I now section my hair, apply the leave-in conditioner, the growth oil, twists, and the whipped cream at the tip. I mostly leave my hair in Bantu knots after a wash day, so that's what I'm looking towards. Some persons actually prefer plaiting their hair to Bantu knots, but today I'm twisting. I will insert some pictures I took the following day at the end of this video. Keep watching. All done and straight to bed. Thank you so much guys for the love. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like.